Hello, students. This is the trigonometry test review. So the first question is to find the following values for the figure to the right. And we have this figure. So the first step we do is mark the 90-degree angle and then the hypotenuse. So identify the hypotenuse first. That's this one. And then for sine A, that's this one. The opposite side is 3 and the hypotenuse is 5. So 3 over 5. You're going to be using SOHCAHTOA for this. On every answer sheet, I want you to write SOHCAHTOA. And then cos A is adjacent over hypotenuse, 4 over 5. And if you notice, whatever is the sine for one angle will be the cos for the other angle. So this is a very important concept that you need to know. Remember, A and B add up to 90 degrees. So if A and B add up to 90 degrees, then sine of one of the angles will be equal to the cos of the other angle and vice versa. And then the tan will be flipped. The numerator, basically they're reciprocals. So the tan of one angle is the reciprocal of the other angle. So this is a question directly relating to this actually. So it's saying which of the following should be cos H? So cos H. So there are two acute angles, H and G. They both add up to 90, right? So cos of H will be sine of G. So you don't need to do any calculations. It's just sine of G. That'll be your answer. Okay, and then whenever it says solve the right triangle, it just means find everything, you know. So they gave you 9 and 22 in this AC 9, BC 22. So two sides. So I'll just use the Pythagoras theorem to find this. Square root of, since this is a hypotenuse, this square plus this square. 9 square plus 22 square, 20. And I get, that's 24. I mean, approximately. See, but I wouldn't use this 23.77 to calculate my measure of angles. Since these two were given their whole numbers, I prefer to use them. So OA, so tan inverse. So tan inverse of 22 over 9 is 68. Once I find one angle, I'm not going to do any inverses for this. I'll just do 90 minus this. Remember always, these two add up to 90. So 90 minus 68 is 22. So that's the first page 1 of the key. I'll make a different video for page 2.